Hey friends, if you wish to change user account control settings in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's what you can do. Search for UAC user account control in the Windows search bar and click on change user account control settings. So it has levels. Now the lowest one is never notify, and this is where you are the administrator and you do not get any notifications for any apps or settings, and that's what I usually choose, because if I'm the administrator, why should I be notified? Okay, the second one is that you will be notified when apps try to make changes, but it does not dim the desktop and it doesn't notify when you're changing the settings. The third one includes both of these. Okay, but not for settings, but it doesn't dim the display, it actually flickers more. And the highest one is that it will notify you, it will ask for your permission when you're trying to change any settings, install any apps, or even for routine installations. So I selected at never notify because I'm the admin, but you can choose accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.